In your application, you need to grip bigger pieces, or you need to grip different pieces but with a similar geometry. Therefore, a long stroke gripper is the ideal choice. But still, this long stroke gripper needs to be small because you want to have space for your application. The long stroke gripper needs also to be light because you want to drive fast with your application, with your handling. And it has to be powerful because you want to safely grip your application, your product. Also, what is needed in a long stroke gripper to have an easy mounting of sensors. Not only sensors of the end positioning, but also sensors that can measure the stroke length of the gripper and monitor the stroke of the gripper itself. Additionally to this, you can also mount a shock absorber to the gripper, so to minimize the impact you have when you're opening or closing the gripper. And this makes it an ideal option for your application in your needed long stroke gripping application in your handling.